Hello, today we are going to learn how to work out the percentage increase and decrease using the multiplier method. Here I have two formulas for the percentage increase and decrease using the multiplier method. So the first one here, can you see, is original quantity multiplied by, in brackets, 1 plus r over 100. R is the percentage that could give that will be given in the problem. It could be 5%, 10%, 50%. Okay, and for the percentage decrease, it is in bracket we have 1 minus r over 100. I will explain this in a minute. Now, here I have the same problem, which I'm going to explain to you using the classical method that usually the students use, and the same problem using the multiplier method. So you can compare and understand what the R is, why is it done 1 plus the R, and so on. So for the first one here, we have, so it says Jack pays £12,000 into an investment that appreciates by 9% over a year. Appreciates is the increase. Find the value of Jack's investment after a year. So then usually we find the 9% of 12,000. So 9% of 12,000, so multiply by 12,000. And that is going to be 1,080. Right, so this is how much appreciates, grows. And then 12,000, now we add this one to the original value. So we have 12,000 plus 1,080. And the answer is going to be 13,080. And this is in pound. So this is the final answer. Now I'm going to underline this bit here. Right. Now, if I rewrite, can you see both of these operations? We have a multiplication here and an addition, as you see in 12,000 appears twice, which actually, and then 1,080, if I put, instead of 1,080, if I put the first operation, this is what I'm going to have. So I'm going to have 12,000 plus 12,000 times the 9%, okay? And then if I factorize the 12,000s, then I'm going to have 12,000s, open the bracket, 1 plus 9%. And actually, this is a formula that I have, which says final answer, or the new investment, new value, let's say new value, new investment. Okay, I'm going to say new value equals original value, original, which in this is 12,000 times 1 plus r over 100. Now, can you see the similarities between what I found here and what the formula says? So 12,000 actually is the original investment. And in brackets, I have 1 plus 9 over 100. So r is the 9, is this 9 here. So if I substitute in the formula, this is what I'm going to have. So I'm going to have new value. I can just write the word new. Okay, equals original is 12,000. And that multiplies 1 plus 9 over 100. Right? And this is a multiplier. Everything that is in bracket is called a multiplier because it's just it's a number that multiplies the original value. So then eventually I'm going to have new equals 12,000 times 1 plus 9 over 100. So 9 divided by 100 is 0.09. So times 1.09. And here again is 12 times 12,000. 12,000 times 1.09. See, it's exactly the same thing. But in the first one, it's just been done separately. So if you find the first method easy to understand, go for it. But knowing the formula and understanding the multiplier, which for the increase, the multiplier is 1 plus that percentage expressed as a decimal, like here, 0.09 plus 1, 1.09. Okay, and then so the answer, the final answer is going to be 12 times 1.09. You can use a calculator here, but the final answer is going to be 13,080. And this one is going to be in pound. See, so we have exactly the same answer. Remember, so to increase a quantity by 5%, the multiplying factor would be 1 plus 5% equals 1.05, because the 5% actually is 0.05. And then to decrease it, 1 minus 5%, so 1 minus 0.05, and you get 0.95. Now, I have prepared two different questions here. One is percentage increase and the other one is percentage decrease. The first one says a vintage painting is worth 100,000 pounds. Over 1 year, its value appreciates by 6%. So by appreciation, we mean the value is going to grow. So the formula says, find the new value of the painting. So I'm going to write again, new value, the latest value, it is equals original value. It's always good to write the formula as it is, because it reminds you of what to substitute. And then in brackets, we have 1 plus r over 100. Close the bracket. And so we have equals original is 100,000 in brackets 1 plus 6%. So equals 100,000 times 1 plus 6%. Now, 6 divided by 100 is 0.06, so times 1.06. And the whole answer is going to be 106, 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. 106, 1, 2, 4, 2, 4, 5. So we don't need the last year. 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be 106,000 in pound. So the final answer, it is 106,000 pounds. Now, for the percentage increase, the original value is 32,000 pounds. Emma buys a car for 32,000 pounds. Over 1 year, its value depreciates by 10%. So it decreases. And the formula is going to be, I'm going to write it, new equals original, in brackets, this is the L, 1 minus R over 100. Okay, so this is the original, the classic formula. And then, so I'm going to have new equals, let's substitute, the original is 32,000 pounds, so 32,000 in brackets 1 minus 10%. 10 over 100 equals 32,000. And then 1 minus 10%, so 1 minus 0.1 in brackets equals 32,000. I'm going to take them. So 1 minus 0.1 is going to be, so times 0.9 equals. And so the final answer is going to be, is it 6? Or it's different? Yeah, its final answer is going to be 28 here, 288, 28,800. And the answer is going to be in pound. As you see, it appreciates from 32,000 to 28,800. And here, as you see, it appreciates, so it grows from 100,000 to 106,000. Right, here, it's your independent work. A couple of things that I have explained is inflation rates mean when prices are rising, and deflation means when prices are falling. Now, the first question says the cost of a house is 200,000 pounds. So this is, remember, the original value of the house goes through an inflation rate of 12%, which means prices are rising. So the multiplier is going to be 1 plus 12%, or 1 plus 0.12 is going to be 1.12, right? And then multiply by this one. And number 2 says Alex pays 20,000 pounds into an investment which appreciates by 13%. So it is going to be 1, appreciate by 13% after a year. Appreciates again, it's an increase. So again, it's going to be 1 plus 13%, the multiplier. So 1 plus 0.13. So in total, multiplier is going to be 1.13. And multiply this one by the original value. So this is a lesson for today. Well done for watching. Bye-bye.